Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am going to work on a 24 by 24 inch bloom, a Shelly Art bloom technique on this very large canvas. I prefer this size. This is my favorite size. I know it's big for a lot of other people, but probably 75% of the paintings I do are on this size. I really like it. I think in this scale. So I'm going to try and do a bloom on this large canvas. I've never done one this big. I've actually, prior to the last video, I had only ever done a bloom when I was at a class at the Fluid Art Experience. And so in the last video was my first try with house paints brands that I can find in Costa Rica, because I don't have any of the same brands at all that anybody in the US or Australia is using. I have a brand called Lanco Professional Supra, and it is satin and ultra white. And it seemed to work pretty well. I think it might be a little thick, but we're gonna give it a go again. And my pouring medium for my colors is the same brand, Lanco Professional Supra, and it's matte, but it is, what's it called? Accent base. I went online and it seems that an accent base is similar to a deep base. So I'm hoping that works out well. And the last one, it came out very pastel. So maybe I didn't add enough pigment to my colors, but I will tell you what they are. And I think I've added more pigment to these this time. So this is Golden brand Payne's Gray, and they're fluid acrylics. It's a very deep, dark blue, and I'm going to do Iridescent Gold Fine from Golden also. And then I have this little Piggy pigment. This is Lagoon, which is definitely on the green side of a greenish blue. And then I have Primary Cyan from Amsterdam. And this is also this little Piggy pigment, and it is Mermaid. Nice, also kind of in the teal range, but very blue. And then I have Turquoise Green from Amsterdam. This is my only opaque color. The rest are all semi-transparent or transparent colors. So I'm gonna put this color first so that all of those transparent colors bounce off of this color. So it might add some brightness from the center, because the last color I'm going to use is my darkest color, which is the Payne's Gray. I'm hoping that using it on top, right before I use my cell activator, and spreading it over top of the other colors, all of these brighter colors are going to pop through. It should give some interesting depth. At least that's the way it would work if I was doing a regular like blowout with using regular acrylics. We'll see if it works the same way using house paint. So I think I'm ready to get started. I want to put in some music for you while I figure this out.
is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
Okay, I see real progress. I'm starting to understand. I am so happy with this. First off, my instinct to put that opaque greenish, turquoise green as my first color, and then the opaque Payne's gray on top. I'm sorry, the transparent Payne's gray on top worked out exactly how I hoped it would. That Payne's gray gives such depth, but it allows those other colors to really come out 3D off of that background it created. So cool how you put the dark color last and so much of the brighter colors come through. That's awesome. The lacing, I think I nailed the consistency on my cell activator, which was the Amsterdam lamp black and Australian Floetrol. 2 parts Aussie Floetrol to 1 part paint. Oh, look at that in there. There's some, this little Piggy pigment for sure. Oh, really beautiful and smoky out here. That line of gold here. It is popping up all over the place, and I love this one blue, or one gold spot here with the blue inside of it. That's pretty. Again, I think my very center could be cleaner, but happy with everything else. And I love the composition. I think that definitely looks like some kind of night blooming orchid. So let's see how she dries. And here's the dry result. She dried beautifully. I just always love to rub my fingers across it to feel how soft it is. So many great things I like about it. I definitely love this color palette. There's a couple of things I'm not so happy with, but that transparency out here, the cells and lacing, I think are great. A little wonky, but I'm okay with that. This area up here, lots of air bubbles, and I think I blew it out a little too much into the pillow paint, so it kind of gave that gray kind of washed out look. Not so happy about that corner, but this corner is super cool. I got a couple of little air bubbles popping through. So happy with that gold that's flashing every once in a while. Yeah, I think I'm getting better. I'm liking it. And I can't wait to do more. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys were entertained. I hope you learned something. Hope it inspired you to just be fearless and go out and try something new. Please do those Yubi-Tubi things and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Give me a thumbs up, it helps the algorithm. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.